Salvation. Looking back at the purple-orange sunset of my life, needles ripping flesh, broken bottles, shattered lives, darkness is constant. Fearing death, or maybe where I'll go if I die right now. Eternal fire, screaming, the evil one laughing at that scared, oh my God, I'm gonna die feeling in my chest. Alone, alone, alone is how I feel in a crowd of people I don't know. Empty, empty promises I never planned to keep, just telling you what you need to hear so I can get what I want, what I need. Living this poor excuse of a life, what have I done? Slowly the clouds begin to clear, and God has put His mighty hand around my heart, around my soul, and I shall have no fear, for I have found my salvation. I have found my salvation, and it came with an army of brothers, dressed in armor, ready to fight this battle, this war, settle the score, overcome this addiction, brought together by a sickness. Now we wear our armor of God, fighting against the evil one. He doesn't know it, but he's already lost. For we have found our salvation, salvation, salvation. And it came with an army of brothers, all ready to follow the Father and the Son. Salvation.